J.D. Vance, for those who don't know, he is the vice presidential candidate for the Republican Party. And he has some dehumanizing things to say about Haitians, so called Haitians, who are truly God chosen people from the tribe of Levi according to the Bible. He accused us of eating pets and abducting the pets and eating them. Well, Dan Foote, who is the U.S. Special Envoy to Haiti, he had resigned a couple years back because he cited that he did not want to associate himself to the dehumanizing deportation of Haitians. And this is what he had to say. He stated the U.S. is the cause of Haiti's catastrophic situation. You Jack X. And he is totally correct because the U.S. is responsible for what is happening in Haiti in the first place, which is the reason why the so-called Haitian people are seeking refuge outside of Haiti, whether it's in Panama or in Santo Domingo, even though it's the same island, or in Mexico or over here in the United States. The Haitian people are indeed fleeing Haiti because of the chaos that the U.S. created in Haiti in the first place. Together with Canada, France, MINUSTAH, the core group, they are the one that is responsible for Haiti's condition today. And not only that, we also know that Bill Clinton have destroyed the agriculture of the Haitian people who have the capacity to feed themselves. And after destroying our agriculture, he simply apologized for it without providing any remedy.
It has not worked. It's maybe been good for some of my farmers in Arkansas, but it has not worked. It was a mistake. It was a mistake that I was a party to. I am not pointing the finger at anybody. I did that. I have to live every day with the consequences of the lost capacity to produce a rice crop in Haiti to feed those people because of what I did.
So Daniel Foote is 100% correct for checking that other devil who's using the Haitian people for his political agenda. Both political parties, the Democrats and the Republicans, are using our people for their specific agenda. They do not have the interests of the Haitian people, the interests of my people at heart. This is why it is imperative for us, so-called Haitians, who are truly God's chosen people, to gather together. All right? No matter how you vote, our oppressors are still going to destroy us. The destruction of the Haitian people by the U.S. is nothing new. We can go all the way back to 1868 when President Andrew Johnson, who was the first one to suggest the annexation of the island of Haiti for the purpose of strengthening the U.S. military by establishing their naval base on the island of Haiti. We can go to 1915 with President Woodrow Wilson, who invaded Haiti and occupied us, and Citibank, who robbed Haiti. All right, so this ain't nothing new. This is a war that we've been fighting. And so-called Haitians, it is time for us to gather together and recognize that your answer is not coming from no president. Your answer is not coming from the Republican. It's not coming from the Democrats. It's not coming from Joe Biden, from Kamala Harris, from Donald Trump. Your answer, your salvation is coming from God. And as a people, it is time for us to gather together and recognize that we are God's chosen people. So, Officer Yatazar from the ISUPK under Commanding General Yohana, Shalom.